Hi, I'm Meg McIntyre, and I created the Megabyte Method, a workflow for organizing digital photo and video collections. It's the result of many years of researching, experimenting, and testing different software and methods. Every aspect of the Megabyte Method has been developed to help professional photo organizers work smarter, not harder, and be more successful. What you're about to see is the end of the file gathering process. Only files a client would want in their organized collection are gathered, plus files the client may want to review. I created a command that selects only photos and videos with certain attributes and properties. I then copy those to the Files Gathered folder and always preserve folder structure. This is just an overview. For more details, view the Megabyte Method demo video series. Now that all files have been gathered, I can check to see exactly what was gathered. After file gathering, file management tasks begin. File management tasks serve to flatten the folder structure and make later tasks, like duplicate removal, more accurate and efficient. What you see here is how I use a rename preset to move almost 18,000 files out of excess Google Takeout folder levels. This video has been heavily edited to shorten it. Using a preset to remove excess folder levels is a good example of using automation to speed up a task. Automation is an important part of the Megabyte Method. Because I need to see different metadata fields depending on the file format or file type of the files I'm working with, I separate out files by format, then by type. What you're seeing right now is how I separate out all videos while preserving the complete folder structure. Let's focus on photos now. Only JPEGs remain in the File Management folder. I will now separate out all undated photos. In an expertly organized collection, all undated photos and videos should be separated out. I do this before starting to remove duplicates so I can look for dated duplicates to the undated photos. I'm removing columns I don't need and then sorting over 60,000 photos by EXIF date time original. Out of 60,000 photos, more than 7,000 are undated. They have no EXIF date time original, but every single one of them has a capture date in Lightroom Classic, Photo Mechanic and Apple Photos, a date created in Mylio, and 926 of these display a date taken in Windows File Explorer. Think about that the next time you hear or read that date time original, capture date, and date taken are different names for the same thing. Using applications that let you view, sort, and filter by important metadata fields is essential to delivering an accurately organized collection. Do you find and separate out undated photos and videos? If you do, can you do it this efficiently and preserve the folder structure? All undated photos have now been separated out and all folder structure has been preserved, which is very important since folder names often include dates or date information. The Megabyte Method includes a complete duplicate removal workflow with details for each step. Having tested many different applications for both Mac and PC, I chose Duplicate Cleaner Pro by Digital Volcano. There have been few significant changes to the applications used by professional photo organizers in the past few years. One exception is Duplicate Cleaner Pro. I have been working with their developers since early 2021 to add and improve the features pros need. Because the scan criteria can be set so precisely, I don't even need to look at the photos when removing identical duplicates. The Scan Location tab has many useful options also. When it's time to select duplicates for removal, the Selection Assistant provides unparalleled control, and you can display any columns you need to see. Because undated photos are separated out prior to duplicate removal, I can count on the date taken column to be accurate. My own extensive testing convinced me that no other application can remove duplicates as accurately or thoroughly as Duplicate Cleaner Pro. You also have control over what you do with the duplicates you remove. You can move them to any folder you choose or delete them. The scan criteria and options for videos are great also. If it's been a while since you tried this application, you'll be amazed by how much it's changed. This section has been sped up and is playing at 5 times speed. It shows a series of tasks that are usually not done in one process as seen here, but gradually during the organizing process. The Megabyte method makes preserving meaningful information, like words and folder names, very efficient. Words and folder names become keywords. The process starts with merging folders and editing folder names. Next, underscores are replaced with semicolons. Then a command is used to add the folder names as keywords. Now that keywords have been added, I'll rename the files. The Megabyte method includes many customizable rename presets. I'm renaming the photos by the date taken and the client's surname. One of the very last tasks in a project is placing files in a folder structure. I'm choosing a preset I created that moves files into folders by year and subfolders by month. I'll delete the empty folders, and now let's look at the folder structure that was created